Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Ethereum, which has been so bullish since our video yesterday. So we'll do a brief recap of my analysis yesterday. We'll just take a look at market structure right now. And apart from that, we'll obviously talk about how far we can go. We have been very bullish. The last time we hit these levels around 2100 was in May of 2022, so 11 months ago. And right now we are still very bullish, right? I mean, at this point of time, this last candle is still a bullish one, and we're at around 2111. But we'll talk about all of that, fundamentals, everything you need to know. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. All right, now onto Ethereum. So yeah, we have been very bullish yesterday. To be honest with all of you, and if you think that's a reason to click away, please feel free to do so. But yesterday I did not expect this. I said that there, and most of you know that, but I said that there was a small chance of about 30-35% chance that we would be able to break above 1940 immediately and rally up to that level around 2050. All right, and the reasoning behind that, and I also think that's one of the big reasons behind this move that Ethereum is having right now, is that we expected a lot of Ethereum withdrawals and Ethereum staking rewards to be sold. So we expected a huge increase in selling pressure for Ethereum. And when that did not come for like 8-10 hours after the Shanghai upgrade went live, there's some sort of relief. And we have seen that more in the past, that if you expect a lot of bearish momentum and you don't get that, then usually you get some relief. So that is what happened. We first found some resistance at 2020, but earlier this morning we pushed through, and that was also because I mean, to be honest, if you take a look at this low move, in a matter of 5 minutes, $800 million in Ethereum in volume was added. So what does that say? Well, it's inconclusive, but it's a huge party buying, right? So it's either a whale or it's institutions, but that really caused us to get above that. And to be honest, I mean, it looks a bit manipulated. With Ethereum, I never really say that it's manipulated, but it's an institutional move. That is what happened. Usually that happens overnight because the volume is also relatively low. Volume then was at around 12.5 billion. So then if you add money into the market, obviously there's this... you have more price impact. So that happened. Right now the big thing is I do think we can get to our main resistance level, which is between 2150 and 2200. But from there it's going to be a bit more interesting, because holding these levels, especially with this move, for example, that last move, if it's a whale, he's going to want to sell at a profit as well later, right? You just have to assume that. Everybody wants that. So I think we can get up here, but maybe the staking withdrawals are a little bit delayed, and breaking above like 2200 at this point of time, I think is too much. I don't think we can do that. So I think it's more likely that we'll get up there, but then from there we'll find resistance, and then we'll have to see if we can, for example, hold 2100 as a support. Then perhaps that's enough confirmation to assume that we'll stay up here and perhaps even break above 2200. But if we find resistance at that level and then immediately drop down below towards 2060, 2040 again, we might see some more bearish pressure. So I'll just keep you updated. At this point of time, it's really waiting for what kind of resistance we get off of 2150 and 2200. And then from there, we'll see what's next, and we'll see what's possible, and I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, this is my take on Ethereum. So thank you for watching. Take care today. Have a nice weekend in advance, and bye.